Looking for a premium car wash shampoo that delivers professional level results? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what the CLEAN Shampoo is, how to use it properly, share a few pro tips along the way, and answer the most common questions I receive about it so you can get the best possible results every single time. If you'd like to learn more about the CLEAN Shampoo or pick one up yourself, I'll include links in the description below the video. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. The CLEAN Shampoo is a premium maintenance car wash soap specifically formulated to safely remove dirt, road grime, and traffic film while maximizing lubrication to help reduce the risk of wash-induced scratches. It's highly concentrated, readily biodegradable, PFAS-free, and safe to use on all exterior vehicle surfaces, including paint, wheels, plastic trim, glass paint protection film, vinyl wraps, and even matte finishes. One thing I'd like to point out right from the start is that this is a pure shampoo. It does not contain any waxes, sealants, gloss enhancers, or ceramic protection. Its only job is to safely and effectively clean your vehicle without leaving anything behind. Whether your vehicle is protected with a wax, a paint sealant, a ceramic coating, or even if it has no protection at all, this shampoo was specifically engineered to provide excellent cleaning performance while remaining gentle enough for regular maintenance washes. So let's walk through the recommended way to use it so you can get the best possible results every time you wash your vehicle. Whenever possible, I recommend starting with a proper pre-wash. The goal is to remove as much loose dirt and road grime as possible before you even touch the paint. The less contamination left on the surface during the contact wash, the safer the wash process will be. While a foam cannon is completely optional, it's an excellent way to perform that pre-wash. Simply add 1 to 2 ounces or 30 to 60 milliliters of CLEAN shampoo to a 1 liter or 34 ounce foam cannon bottle. Then fill the rest with water. Give the bottle a gentle shake to mix the solution, connect it to your pressure washer, and apply a generous blanket of foam over the entire vehicle. Allow the foam to dwell for a few minutes so it can begin softening dirt, road grime, and other contamination. Just be sure not to let it dry on the surface. Once the dwell time is complete, thoroughly rinse the vehicle to remove as much loose contamination and debris as possible before moving on to the contact wash. Now it's time for the bucket wash, which is really where this shampoo truly shines. Because the formula is highly concentrated, you only need a small amount of product. Simply add 1 to 2 ounces or 30 to 60 milliliters of shampoo to 4 gallons or 15 liters of water in your wash bucket. As you fill the bucket, you'll immediately notice rich foam and excellent slickness. That slickness or lubricity is one of the most important characteristics of a quality car shampoo. It allows your wash media to glide smoothly across the paint while helping encapsulate dirt particles, reducing friction during the contact wash. Use a quality microfiber wash mitt or a wash sponge and always begin with the cleanest area first, like the roof, the glass, and the upper panels. Then gradually work your way downward, leaving the rocker panels and rear bumper until the very end, since they're usually the dirtiest parts of the vehicle. Use straight line motions rather than aggressive circular scrubbing and let the shampoo do the work. There is no need to apply excessive pressure. After every panel or two, rinse your wash media thoroughly before landing it or loading it with fresh shampoo solution and continuing around the vehicle. Once you've washed the entire vehicle, give it a thorough final rinse. The CLEAN shampoo rinses completely clean without leaving any residue behind, making the drying process quick, easy, and streak-free. The CLEAN shampoo can also be used for a couple of other applications around your detailing routine. If you mix 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of the shampoo into a 32 ounce spray bottle, which is approximately 950 milliliters, filled with water, it becomes an excellent bug pre-treatment. Simply spray it onto the bug splatter before your wash, allow it to dwell for a couple of minutes, then continue with your normal wash process. You can also mix half an ounce or 15 milliliters into a 32 ounce spray bottle, that's approximately 950 milliliters, and spray bottle, fill that up with water to create an outstanding clay lubricant for use with clay bars or clay towels. It provides excellent lubrication, allowing your clay media to glide safely across the surface while removing bonded contaminants. Now, let me share you a few pro tips that'll help you get even better results. Although the CLEAN shampoo is sun-friendly, you'll always have a better detailing experience by washing in the shade whenever possible or on cool panels. That simply gives you more working time and makes every detailing product easier to use. If your vehicle is heavily soiled, never skip the pre-wash. Removing as much loose contamination and debris as possible before making the contact wash with the paint is one of the easiest ways to reduce the risk of creating swirls, also known as marring or love marks. And because this is a pure shampoo with no added protection, it's the ideal choice before applying your favorite spray sealant, wax, or ceramic coating maintenance product. It leaves the surface perfectly clean and ready for your next protection step. Finally, let's answer some of the most common questions I receive about the Clean by Pan Deorganizer shampoo. Is it safe on waxes, paint sealants, and ceramic coatings? Well, the answer is absolutely. The formula was specifically engineered to safely clean protected vehicles without stripping your existing protection during routine maintenance washes. What's the official pH? The official safety documentation lists the shampoo with a pH range of 7 to 10. That's completely normal for professional chemical products because the final pH depends on the water used for dilution. At the end of the day, the number itself isn't what matters most. What matters is performance. This shampoo was specifically engineered to safely clean your vehicle without stripping waxes, paint sealants, or ceramic coatings during routine maintenance washes. Does it contain any form of protection? No. This is a pure shampoo. It contains no waxes, no paint sealants, and no ceramic protection. Its only purpose is to safely clean the surface while leaving nothing behind. Is it sun-friendly? Yes, it is. But like with every detailing product, you'll always have a better user experience by working in the shade whenever possible or on cool panels. What's the official scent pan? The Clean Shampoo features our Citrus Grove fragrance, a melody of fruit scents blended together in perfect harmony. Essentially, it's fresh, clean, and makes every wash even more enjoyable. Once you try it, you'll know. I hope this video helped you better understand exactly how to use the Clean by Pan Deorganizer shampoo and get the absolute best results every time you wash your vehicle. If you still have any questions that I didn't answer in this video, leave them in the comments under the video and I'll be happy to help. If you'd like to learn more about the Clean by Pan shampoo or add it to your own detailing arsenal, you'll find links in the description under the video. My goal with this series is to create the ultimate reference guide for every product in the Clean by Pan lineup. So whether you've just purchased your first bottle or you've been using these products for years now, you'll always have a place to learn exactly how to get the most out of them, right? Thanks for being there. Thanks for watching. And in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.